This video is about how to create the mission statement for your restaurant. A mission statement ensures company unity and success. Without a clear mission, a restaurant may struggle during crises. Mission statements reflect the brand's philosophy, showing how it benefits society and improves the world. It's not just about profits but the purpose behind them. A mission should be authentic and impactful. Answer key questions. Where are we going? Why are we doing this? How are we doing it? Be concise, ideally in one powerful sentence. The advantage of having a mission statement is it motivates and unites employees, builds corporate culture and increases productivity, establishes a strong foundation for company ideology, differentiates the brand from competitors. The mission statement consists of client-oriented, focuses on meeting customer needs and adapting to market changes. Product-oriented, emphasizes the features of products and services. How to create your mission. Ask and answer relevant questions about the restaurant's purpose and goals. Choose the emotion the mission should convey to create a connection with customers. Combine the information into a clear, concise statement. Ensure the mission is realistic, memorable, and unique. Communicating the mission. The mission should be shared on the company's website, social media, and marketing materials to ensure clarity and consistency. Key takeaways for a strong mission statement. Concise, short but comprehensive. Understandable, free of jargon and complex terms. Precise, honest and realistic about the restaurant's goals and actions. Achievable, realistic and aligned with the restaurant's capabilities. Unique, specific to the restaurant, not a generic statement. Authentic, reflects the true values and daily practices of the business. Differentiation from competitors. Specialization, focus on a niche market or unique offerings. Target audience, clearly defined customer base. Innovation, unique features or services. Added value, support for local farmers, eco-friendly practices, community engagement. Exceptional service, high-quality customer service. Personal story, share the restaurant's history and values. Final thoughts. A strong mission statement helps a restaurant connect with customers, motivate employees, and stand out in a competitive market. It should be a clear, concise, and authentic reflection of the restaurant's purpose and values.